Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can mute TikTok audio. So I'm just going to select a clip and then I'm going to press next. And I'm just going to wait for mine to download from iCloud because I use it. So just going to wait for it to load. After that, I'm going to add a sound. I'm just going to add any song. For instance, this one. And then, for instance, I want to mute audio, so go down here and go to volume. Here I can mute the original sound or not mute it. Or I can also mute the added sound or both by dragging this circle volume. Press next, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!